Hello, this is Lucy. Hello, hello. It's March and spring is coming. So let's cut a spring. This is a Chinese character and it's going to repeat 4 times in a circle. We are using basic folding method too. I posted the link in the description box with other folding methods. Start cutting. Start with the inside details. You know, besides scissors, we can also use knife, especially for the details. For the little circles, I want to recommend this hole punch tool. Very useful and easy to use. I know spring makes you think about green. So here are today's colors: green, blue, yellow, and pink. Remember this: blue and yellow will make a new green. So I prefer to use blue first and then green. Alright, it's time to ask you about, do you have any color combination or pattern design suggestion? Tell me in the comments and I may try it. See you next time!